This is the app that we will build. So this is a dashboard where we show a chart about the daily sales of the user. These are the users, where each user has a specific role. We can create them, update them, and delete them. So when we create a user, we add the first name, last name, email, and we assign a role. We have the roles where each user has a specific access. So when we create a role, we can assign view users, edit users, view products, and edit products. So these are the permissions for a specific role. These are the products. So it has an image, title, description, and a price. When we create a product, we can also upload an image. And when we upload it, we'll return an URL here. We have the orders. Here we can export the orders as a CSV file, and also we can view the order items using a simple animations. And the last thing, we can update our own data. And when we update our own data, it will be automatically reflected here on top. So as we can see, this is immediately changed. So this is the app. If you are interested in learning how this app works, consider taking this course. Thank you.